In Indian polity, we are going to discuss about Article 21A, that is right to education. Actually, this Article 21A was not in the original constitution. This was added by 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Okay, the aim of this article is education to all. So this is a major milestone in India. Okay, so Article 21A talks about state shall provide free and compulsory education to all the children from 6 to 14 years of age. Okay, so the state shall provide elementary education, and state shall not provide higher or professional education under Article 21A. Okay, so before this amendment, same provision which was contained in Directive Principles of State Policy under Article 45. Okay, under Part 4. Whenever comes to the Directive Principles of State Policy, the articles which are incorporated in Part 4, these articles are not enforceable by the courts whenever they are violated. Okay, and there is no judicial review regarding the articles which are incorporated under Directive Principles of State Policy. Okay, that's why our parliament enacted 86th Constitutional Amendment Act by adding 21A article into the fundamental rights. Okay, for the more affection. Okay, to increase the scope and judicial intervention, our parliament enacted 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Okay, and 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002, it changed the subject matter in Article 45. Okay, so the matter is state provide early childhood care and education for all children until 6 years of age. Okay, so this is the subject matter which was changed by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. For example, Anganwadis. Okay, and 86th Constitutional Amendment Act added this important free and compulsory education to all children into the fundamental duties, that is Article 51A. Okay, so right to free and compulsory education from 6 to 14 years of age, this is a one of the fundamental duty, like this is the 11th fundamental duty under Part 4A. Okay, in 1992 our Supreme Court held that so free and compulsory education is a fundamental duty, so we all have the right to get free and compulsory education from 6 to 14 years of age, that is elementary education. And it said that not only elementary education but also professional education also we will get. Okay, so like medicine and engineering for example. Okay, in 1993 our Supreme Court recognized this important fundamental right, that is Article 21A, that is right to get primary education, it means elementary education, is a right under Article 21, that is right to life. Okay, so each and every children will get the free and compulsory education until he completes the age of 14 years. This is a fundamental right. Okay, after 14 years the education is depend on the economic capacity and development of state. Okay, so our parliament enacted new act, that is Right to Education Act 2009, Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, for the more affection to the Article 21A. Okay, to give more effect to the Article 21A, our parliament enacted Right to Education Act 2009. Okay, so 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 and Right to Education Act 2009 were came into force from 2010. Okay,